Hello, I'm occupational therapy student Mike Watkins here at Cox College, and we're here to perform some visual tests, the Beery VMI and the TVPS. First, we'll go over the Beery VMI. This exam assesses the ability to which a client can integrate their visual motor abilities. There are three subset tests: the visual motor integration, visual perception, and motor coordination. The test can be administered to clients between the ages of 2 to 100. And if a client gets 3 answers wrong in a row, we're going to end the test at that specific point and mark the uncompleted questions as 0. So I want to thank Atkin here for being my participant. And the first thing we're going to do is the VMI portion of the Beery. So I want you to copy what you see on the pages here. You're going to see the different shapes, and when you have the shape up here, we're going to draw it in the space provided below. You don't have to make the shape or the lines as thick or dark as you see here, and you're going to make the shape one time. Don't worry about erasing, and we'll just take the one attempt that you have, okay? So go ahead and make your mark here with the picture that you see. Good. Make a mark here, picture that you see. Good. Make the mark here in the picture that you see. Good. We're going to go through a couple different more of these. Make the mark here of what you see in the box there. Good. Make the mark here. Good. Make the mark here of what you see in the box there. Some of these may get more difficult, but that's okay. Try as hard as you can. This one here, please. Thank you. Make your mark here, please. Good. And make your mark here. Perfect. And now we're going to go to the vision perception portion of the test. In this area, we're going to examine the visual acuity of our client. There'll be an ability to handle visual ground distractions, and if the client gets 3 answers wrong in a row, we're going to stop right there and take the score that we have. So I want you to look at the figure that's in this area here, and then we're going to find it on the area shapes that are below it, okay? Good. I'm going to have you look at this one here and find it below. And we're going to do the rest for the other shapes that we have here. Good, good, and good. Good job. Start here. Good job. Good. We're going to do one more. Go ahead and mark the ones that you see. Good. Now we're going to move to the motor coordination portion of the test. In this test, we're going to test to see the initiation and completion of different marks that we have for the client. So just follow my lead here. I'm going to show you how to make this shape. We're going to start on the black dots, and then we're going to move down or move to the gray dots that are corresponding with it, that go along with it. So when I make this line here, I'm going to go from the black dot. I'm going to stay inside the road until I go to the gray dot. Can you do that for me? Good. I'm going to make the line here, start the black dot, and go to the gray dot, and do the same for me, please. Good. I'm going to start here and make the gray dot, and go ahead and stay within inside the road. Perfect. Now when I say go, you're going to try the rest for these here on the page, and then we'll flip over and keep going on to the next ones. Ready? Go. Good. And go ahead and complete these ones here. And it's all right, this completes the portion of the Beery VMI. Now we're going to move on to the TVPS. This exam, the TVPS, measures the various aspects of visual perception and is good for ages 4 to 18. There are several different areas of subtests. There is the visual discrimination, visual memory, visual relations, form consistency, sequential memory, sequential memory, figure ground, and visual closure. We're going to start the test by a couple examples, okay? So the first one's going to be visual discrimination, and first we'll practice. I want you to look at the picture at the top of the page here, and I want you to match it with one that looks exactly like it. Okay? 2. Good. Now we're going to go through it and we're going to do the exact same thing for the next 3 ones, okay? So look at the picture up top and match it with the one at the bottom.
3.
Good. And look at the picture at the top and match it with the one at the bottom.
1.
Good. One more. Look at the picture at the top and match it with the one at the bottom.
1.
Good. Now we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you design for a few seconds and then you're going to try to remember it. This is going to be visual memory. Okay, we're going to look at it and after 5 seconds we'll go to the next page. So first we'll do a practice one. I want you to look at the picture there.
Okay.
Remember it. And I'm going to show you where, point at to which one it is on the screen.
Okay, it's this one too.
Good. Now we're going to do 3 more. So here is the picture.
Okay.
Remember that. And now find it within these pictures here.
Oh, it's this one. 3.
Good. Here's the picture.
Okay.
And find it within the pictures here.
2.
Good. Last one. Here's the picture.
Okay.
And find it within the pictures here.
Okay. 4.
Good. Now we're going to move into spatial relations. We'll try something a little bit different. We'll look at the pictures here and we'll see which one is different from the ones that are all displayed, okay? So we'll look at these pictures here. Which one is different compared to the ones that are being shown?
Okay, this one.
Good. That's a good first example. I'm going to go through 3 different ones. Here's what we're looking at. Which one of these is different from all the others?
Okay, it's this one.
Good. This one here. Which one of these is different from all the others?
Okay, it's this one.
Good. Last one. Which one of these is different from all the others?
Okay, it's this one.
Good. Now we're going to move into form consistency. We'll do another practice, but I want you to look at the picture that I show you and you see which one it corresponds with or it goes with. And the picture is going to be turned around backwards in different sizes, okay? So this picture, which one of these looks like the one that's here?
Okay, it's this one. So
Good. It's a good example. Now we'll go through 3 questions here. Which one of these looks like this one?
Okay, this one.
Good. Which one of these looks like this one?
This one.
Good. Last one here. Which one of these looks like this one?
This one.
Good. Now we're going to sequential memory. It's going to be kind of like how we did earlier. I'll go through another example. You're going to see a different line of shapes and you're going to remember how the order is of them, okay? So we're going to look at the design for a few seconds and we'll see which order those shapes appear in, okay? So here's the order.
Okay.
Remember that. And on this one, show me which one is the same.
Okay, it's this one.
Good. That's a good example. So we'll go through again. Here is the picture.
Okay.
And show me on this page which one the picture is.
Okay, it's this one.
Good. Here is the picture. Now on this one, which one of these is the same as that picture?
It's this one.
Good. Here is the picture. And which one of these is a picture there?
Okay, it's that one.
Good. Now let's try a different one. We'll be looking at the different shapes in hidden pictures, okay? So we're going to find the shape that is within the shapes that are around it. We'll do a practice one. I want you to look at the designs and which one of the designs does the same picture look like it's within. So here's the design.
Okay.
Out of all these pictures, which one is that design in?
Okay, it's this one too.
Good. That was good practice. Now for this one, here's the design. Out of all these pictures, which one design is that picture?
This one.
Good. Here's the picture. Out of all these designs, which one is this picture in?
Okay, it's this one.
Good. Last one here. Here's the picture, and out of all of these designs, which one is that picture in?
It's this one.
Good. For our last one here, we're going to go over visual closure. This one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a practice one at first. Which one of these images is going to be completed even though it's moved around? So we're going to look at the shape and see which one completes it, okay? For a practice one, here's the picture. Which one of these would complete that picture?
Okay, this one.
Good. Here's the picture. And which one of these would be the completion?
That one.
Good. Here's the picture, and which one would complete from these selections?
This one.
Good, and last one. Here's the picture, and which one here would that one look the most?
This one.
Good. Well, that completes our assessment today. I really thank you for having the time to do this with me, and we can get our assessments going.
All right.